Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. Upgrade your PC build with the NZXT H7 Flow, a meticulously engineered mid-tower case designed to balance performance, aesthetics, and practicality. Highlighting airflow without sacrificing style, this case features perforated panels that not only look premium but ensure optimal cooling for your components. Equipped with 3 high-performance intake fans right out of the box, the H7 Flow keeps your system running cool while maintaining a quiet profile, making it ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. The case supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, offering flexibility for a wide range of builds. It accommodates GPUs up to 410mm, CPU coolers up to 185mm, and ATX power supplies up to 270mm, ensuring compatibility with high-end components. Easy cable routing and management channels help you achieve a clean, professional-looking build with minimal effort. Built with a tempered glass side panel, the H7 Flow lets you showcase your internal components while offering 7 PCI expansion slots for additional hardware. It's also ready for advanced liquid cooling setups, supporting large radiators for ultimate thermal performance. Front panel connectivity includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and HD audio for convenient access. With dimensions of 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and a weight of 24.3 pounds, the NZXT H7 Flow combines solid construction, stylish design, and versatile compatibility at an MSRP of $129.99, making it an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, high-airflow PC case in 2024. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Turn your PC build into a fun DIY project with the Qube 500, a compact and stylish chassis that lets you assemble your system like an IKEA kit. Designed for creativity and customization, the Qube 500 comes in several vibrant colors and features swappable face panels, giving you the freedom to refresh your build's look whenever inspiration strikes. Despite its playful design, the Qube 500 is fully capable, supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. It accommodates full-size power supplies, GPUs up to 368mm, and CPU coolers up to 175mm, offering ample compatibility for serious builds. With 7 PCI expansion slots and a bottom-mounted ATX power supply, it balances compact form factor with versatility. The Qube 500 is more than just a case, it's a platform for fun and learning. Its tempered glass side panel showcases your components, while 3 120mm or 140mm fan positions and one included fan ensure reliable airflow. Front panel connectivity includes 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, keeping your devices close at hand. Measuring 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches and weighing 17 pounds, the Qube 500 is easy to handle and fits neatly on any desk or gaming setup. Affordable, sturdy, and engaging to build, it's an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts, families wanting a shared project, or anyone seeking a compact, customizable PC case that delivers both fun and performance. Number 3. InWin A3. Punch above your weight class with the InWin A3, a compact Micro ATX case that delivers big performance in a small footprint. Slightly larger than typical Micro ATX chassis, the A3 maximizes interior space without compromising its sleek, distinctive InWin styling. Perfect for builders who want a compact, visually striking system, it offers excellent thermal performance and a user-friendly layout. The A3 supports Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, making it an ideal choice for performance-conscious builders seeking value and versatility. It accommodates GPUs up to 340mm, CPU coolers up to 162mm, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of components. With 4 PCI expansion slots and a top-mounted power supply, this case balances compact design with practical functionality. A tempered glass side panel showcases your build, while the included addressable RGB fan and additional 120mm or 140mm fan positions provide customizable airflow and style. Front panel connectivity includes HD audio, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports for easy access to your devices. Measuring 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing just 11.6 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3 is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to handle and perfect for desktop setups where space is at a premium. Affordable, stylish, and thermally efficient, the A3 is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to build a compact, high-performance PC without compromise. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The View 270 ARGB combines style, performance, and affordability, making it a standout choice for gamers and PC builders on a budget. This striking mid-tower case offers features usually found in higher-end chassis, including a wraparound tempered glass side panel, 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, and dust filters at all fan locations, ensuring both aesthetics and functionality. Supporting ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, the View 270 RG accommodates GPUs up to 428mm and CPU coolers up to 180mm, while providing room for ATX power supplies up to 280mm. With 7 PCI expansion slots and a bottom-mounted power supply, it delivers versatility and compatibility for a wide range of components. Front panel connectivity is convenient and modern, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, keeping your devices easily accessible. The included ARGB fans, along with 6 additional 120mm or 140mm fan positions, allow for customizable cooling and lighting effects, giving your build a dynamic, professional look. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing just 14 pounds, this case is easy to handle while providing ample interior space for airflow and cable management. Available in eye-catching green, hydrangea blue, and white, the View 270 ARGB proves that a high-quality, visually striking PC case doesn't need to break the bank. It's the perfect blend of style, performance, and value for your next build. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Discover the perfect balance of size, quality, and value with the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX, a micro ATX chassis designed in collaboration with renowned German builder DAN Cases. Slightly larger than a typical compact case, the DAN A3 offers ample room for essential components without overwhelming your desk, making it ideal for general-purpose builds in 2024. Its thoughtful design, solid construction, and competitive price earned it an Editor's Choice Award. The case supports Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, accommodating GPUs up to 425mm and CPU coolers up to 165mm. It fits ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies, with front-mounted placement for convenient access. With 4 PCI expansion slots, 1 3.5-inch drive bay, and 3 2.5-inch bays, it offers flexibility for storage and expansion. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, giving you easy access to modern peripherals. For 120mm or 140mm fan positions and included RGB fans provide effective airflow and a customizable aesthetic. For those who want to show off their build, a tempered glass side panel is available as an optional accessory. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing 10.8 pounds, the DAN A3-mATX is compact yet spacious enough for most builds, striking the perfect Goldilocks balance for micro ATX enthusiasts. Whether you're building a home office PC, gaming rig, or general-purpose workstation, the Lian Li DAN A3 delivers quality, versatility, and value in a sleek, well-engineered package.